Okay guys, welcome to my video how to make $300 with ClickBank step by step. With this video guys, I am very exciting to present to you step by step how to make money with ClickBank using very secret and very guaranteed traffic visitors, so you can make hundreds of dollars with ClickBank. So let's start. If you don't have an account, you can see this is a ClickBank. If you don't have account, you can go to create account and make your free account. It's free. Everyone can join, and everyone can make money with ClickBank. Like you know, ClickBank is one of the best affiliate network that you can make free cash daily. And the best part of this affiliate network that everyone can join this program and everyone can make money with this affiliate network. Okay, so like I said, if you don't have an account, you can go here and create a free account. If you already have an account, you can go to login. Let's log in to my account, and you will get this dashboard. You can see this is my weekly earning, my daily earning. You can see over 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, $2,000 I make with ClickBank. Everyone can do it, and everyone can make money with this program. So how this work? You can see here in the top marketplace. So let's visit it, and we will get this page. You can see you can search for your niche here. You can type your niche and search for something or product or niche you want to promote, and also you can see some niche here and sub niche. If you click here, you can see you can get sub niche. My favorite niche is business and marketing. Okay, you can click and you will get sub niches here that you can choose and promote. So for example, let's go to affiliate marketing. So you will get some product here that you can choose and promote. Okay, for this video guys, you can see here a very good product, E1 Chia copy paste income. This is one of the best product. There's also Google Sniper that you can promote and earn cash daily. There is unlimited product here, very good and fantastic product. Like you see here, the CP passive income, also nice and very good product. You can click here and go to gravity, so you can see the product that unlimited internet marketer promote. You can see here Speed Wealth, one of the best product. Okay, so for this example, I will show you how exactly you can get your affiliate link and how to promote using the best traffic online. So for this example, you can see here Iwanchia's copy paste income. So you have here a promote, okay, promote. Let's click promote, and you will get this page. So you can see here create. You have to create your affiliate link. So let's click create, and we will get this page, okay. Your affiliate link, my affiliate link with this case is in the top, this link, not this link, okay. You have to choose the black in the top. This is the affiliate link, okay, very important. So let's copy, and we can close this window. This is the affiliate link that you have to promote. So let's close this window. Now I want to show you the fantastic and the top traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can promote any affiliate link. You can promote your landing page. You can promote your CPA offers. You can promote your Warrior Plus or PaySpree affiliate program. You can get unlimited real human traffic from these traffic sources, and this is the best. I am very excited to present to you the best traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Okay, traffic source number one is safetrafficrotator.com. This is one of the best traffic that you can see. Are you looking for safe, cheap advertising for your website? This is a safe traffic, safe AdSense, and safe affiliate network traffic. You can build your list. You can get unlimited real traffic from this website. So how this work? You can see here your name. You have to put your name, your email, and your site like this. Okay, this is my affiliate link, and you can choose your package. It's very cheap traffic, and also you have to click read and accept the terms of use and order now. Okay, this is traffic source number one of the best traffic that you can promote your affiliate link. Now I want to show you traffic source number two. You can see turbo website traffic.com. You can see welcome to turbo website traffic.com. You can go here to advertise, and you will get this page. Like you know, your name, your email, your link, and choose your package, and read and accept, of course, and click submit now. Okay, your link should be here like this. Okay, very important. Don't forget to put the http// very important. Okay, this traffic source number two. Now I want to show you traffic source number three that you can promote your affiliate link. Trafficcashlist.com, one of the best traffic that you can get unlimited real traffic to your affiliate link. There is unlimited packages here that you can use it. You can see here unlimited website visitors. You can use solo ads. Solo ads is one of the best services on this website. You can see premium traffic. You can get unlimited traffic from USA, lifetime traffic, bulk traffic. All this website, guys, all these traffic sources, when you sign up you will get tracking states, so you can track exactly how many visitors you get to your affiliate link. Also, you can track your affiliate link yourself. Okay, you can use Google Analytics, and you can use Google shorten link solution. Of course, you can track your link yourself, and also this traffic sources website will send you tracking info states, so you can track your links and you can know exactly how many visitors you get to your affiliate link. Okay, so basically with this video now you know how exactly to get your affiliate link from ClickBank, how to promote your affiliate link, your ClickBank affiliate link, how to use the best of the best traffic source to promote your affiliate link, to promote any affiliate link, of course. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more secrets. I will show you everything. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. Please subscribe. Please like my video. I will appreciate that if you can share my video. Thank you again. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you and have a good day. Thank you very much.